know what I have to do.
All right, guys, as you can see, that got millions of views. So I have my phone, I have my little wallet set up right here, and I'm about to rake in the views. Now it's time to get the thing that I'm gonna throw on my head to make it like really cool. One of the things about that video was also the pose. So you want to put your right foot first like this, bring your leg up like this, and then look as like cinematic as you can, you know, like have that cinematic face. All right, now that you have your cinematic face, take the thing that you want to throw on top of your head to make it 10 times more cinematic, and then you'll have your video. This works best if you have a friend. But if you don't have a friend, that's okay, because you can just do what I'm doing right now. Just like, you see that? That's millions of views right there. Oh my gosh, I hate TikTok so much.